When the limitations of space and size restrict your creativity, open up a world of possibilities with innovative design. Introducing the Lenovo ThinkStation P360 Ultra. A revolutionary form factor designed without compromise for optimal space usage and ultimate flexibility. Unimaginable performance with blazingly fast 12th-gen Intel Core processors. And next-level NVIDIA RTX professional graphics. Delivering a more versatile system to meet your workflow needs. In a world where bigger is often perceived as better, we redefine the power of small.
Hi, this is Greg from ASUS, and in this video, we're going to take a quick look at the ASUS Chromebox 3. The Chromebox 3 is the latest generation of mini desktop PC from ASUS that runs the Google Chrome operating system. With Chrome OS, you have access to the complete Google Play Store and to millions of Android apps that can run natively on the Chromebox. This includes everything from Google Docs, YouTube, and even your favorite mobile games. Google Chrome is also one of the most secure operating systems you can use, as updates are automatically installed every time you connect to the internet. At just under 6 inches square, 1.5 inches tall, and weighing in at 2.2 pounds, this is one of the smallest and lightest desktop PCs we make. But even with its small size, it still packs enough power and connectivity options for the most demanding users. Inside the base model Chromebox 3, you'll find an Intel Celeron CPU. But if you require higher performance, we have models available with up to an 8th generation Intel Core i7 CPU, 16 gigabytes of DDR4 memory, up to a 256 gigabyte M.2 SSD, and of course all models come with dual-band 802.11 AC Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2. On the front, you'll find a microSD card reader, 2 USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, and an audio jack. On the rear of the Celeron versions, there is a gigabit Ethernet port, 2 USB 2.0 ports, 1 USB 3.1 Gen 1 port, an HDMI output, DC power input, and a USB 3.1 Type-C connection. For those who need more high-speed USB ports, the Core i5 and Core i7 versions include 3 USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports. If you look closely at the Type-C, you'll notice it's more than just a high-speed USB connection. It can also be used for power delivery and as DisplayPort over Type-C. The power delivery function means that you can power supported devices like external SSDs or even monitors. In addition, this Chromebox can receive power from certain accessories, so you won't need a separate power adapter, providing a cleaner, uncluttered workspace. The DisplayPort functionality also allows for a dual 4K monitor setup, making multitasking a whole lot easier.
What kind of office environment will be more comfortable? Let GK35 Pro tell you. Its compact body can make your desktop more neat and tidy. The body is made of textured plastic body and acrylic plate, which is more thin and portable. Despite the small size, it still has a variety of interfaces. Choose what you need. With Intel Celeron processor J4105, there is a cooling fan for accelerated heat dissipation. Optional DDR4 memory, low power consumption, longer battery life. Small body with the same freedom to expand the HDD. It consists of plastic body, heat insulation board and acrylic board, etc. It is a combination of technology and art. Support 4K definition output. Dual screen display, work more efficiently. GK35 Pro, an energy-saving mini PC with both office and entertainment. You deserve it.
This is Quartz Canyon. It's the latest NUC from Intel, and also known as the NUC9 Pro. It's unlike any NUC you've ever seen before. NUC stands for Next Unit of Computing, and when you think of a NUC, this is usually what comes to mind. But Quartz Canyon is radically different. It's a true powerhouse for content creation. And for gamers, there's the Ghost Canyon NUC. So why is the NUC9 series larger than the one we just saw? Well, first of all, it's not that big. The key reason is that this NUC supports discrete graphics cards, like this 2070 Mini, which was specifically designed to fit the NUC9. The NUC9 can fit other small and ITX form factor cards. With an Intel NUC, you can fit a large amount of PC in a small form factor, allowing for GPU upgrades. That's where this comes in. This is the Intel NUC compute element. Inside are CPU, RAM, storage, Thunderbolt, dual gigabit LAN, and even the ability to drive 3 displays from the integrated graphics alone. It's modular too. You can choose your own RAM, storage, and can upgrade down the line if you want to. This NUC9 has a high-end Core i9 with 8 cores and 16 threads with hyper-threading, which is plenty powerful for the foreseeable future. The compute element is designed so that when you need to upgrade, you can simply pop in a new element and you're basically done. Big gaming desktops take advantage of the cooling characteristics afforded by their large size. The QC NUC uses a unique L-shaped vapor chamber and 2 extractor fans to pull hot air out of the top while drawing in cool air from the bottom. The 5-liter form factor is one of the Quartz Canyon's outstanding features. If you're looking for something more compact, there are enclosures that will house the compute element on its own. Remember, the compute element contains all the parts essential to a PC.